Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to call Popular Direct Bank. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a step back and talk about why you might want to call Popular Direct Bank in the first place. Maybe you're a new customer and you're having trouble setting up your account. Maybe you're an existing customer and you're having a problem with your account. Or maybe you're just looking for some general information about the bank. Whatever your reason for calling, it's important to know that there are a few different ways to get in touch with Popular Direct Bank. You can call their customer service number, you can chat with them online, or you can send them an email. In this video, I'm going to focus on how to call Popular Direct Bank. I'll give you the phone number, the hours of operation, and some tips for making your call go smoothly. So, let's get started. How to call Popular Direct Bank. The first thing you need to know is the phone number for Popular Direct Bank. It's 1-800-274-5696. Next, you need to know the hours of operation for Popular Direct Bank. They are open Monday through Friday from 7:30 a.m. to midnight ET, and Saturday and Sunday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Now that you have the phone number and the hours of operation, you are ready to call Popular Direct Bank. Here are a few tips for making your call go smoothly. Be patient. You may need to wait on hold for a few minutes. Be polite. The customer service representatives are people too, and they'll be more likely to help you if you're polite. Be clear and concise. Tell the customer service representative what you need help with in a clear and concise way. Have your account information handy. You may need to provide your account number or other information to the customer service representative. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for calling Popular Direct Bank. If you're calling about a specific problem, be sure to have the details of the problem handy. If you're calling from outside the United States, you'll need to dial the International Access Code 011, followed by the country code 1, and then the area code 800, and the phone number 274-5696. If you're hearing impaired, you can call Popular Direct Bank's TTY line at 1-888-801-4871. Calling Popular Direct Bank is easy. Just follow the tips in this video and you'll be able to get the help you need. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe and healthy.